So what's up mga ka-runners? So today meron tayong session ulit kay Huawei. So for today's run meron tayong 20 minutes na easy run po para to bukas kay road to beat our sub 1 hour na 59 minutes sa 10k. So sana makapag 55 minutes tayo bukas. So come and join me today to have some fun and have some energy this morning for our 20 minutes easy run. So average of 134 to 154 heart rate lang ulit ito. So very easy, 8 minutes per kilometer tayo. So siguro at least maka-3 tayo para sulit ang ating run. So come and join me, let's have some fun. Let's go.
1K 705, 2K 703, KM3 645. So that's our 20 minutes easy run with 3K mileage. So medyo parang nanghihina yung legs ko, pero try ko pa rin bukas kung mabit natin yung 10K PR natin. I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life. Let's go. Tara, takbo. Hey!